Hello, welcome to this video. Welcome. I'm so excited for this video because I am just really artsy in the mood for art right now, and I'm gonna be doing this cute little eyeliner look, and it's carrots. My mirror fell, and I'm gonna be doing this really cute look, and it's basic carrots. I'm gonna play around with eyeliner, and it's a carrot look that I didn't make up. I'm stealing it, and I wanted to recreate it. It was cute. Cute. Who wouldn't want to recreate that? So we're just gonna have fun and do it, and you should go look at her video first because and send her love. Yeah, she's really cool, and yeah. But I already did my base makeup because boring. You've seen it a million times. And let's just do the actual look. Hello. Base. Duh. Gotta add the primer, not the base. Gotta add the primer. Not too much of it. Obviously. Lightly drag. I'm not flipping you off. Or maybe I am. Will you ever know? Probably not. Alright. Now, I used the LA Girl concealer for this because obviously it's really good if you didn't know. Like that. For my eyeliner, my wet liners today, I'm going to be using this palette, Lovely by Hacks Beauty, whatever. Beautiful. It's a really good one. Got my urban spray. I use a setting spray to activate it because it's more convenient than going to try and get water when I have it right here, basically. Alright, so I basically just lift it up. I want to do a line right here. This is actually so difficult. Cute. Okay, I love that. Hello. I love it. Green always just brings a look together. Try. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. Excuse me, my little burp. I mean, it's a carrot. Nobody's falling over mid-carrot, but yeah. Hell yes. Yes! We're gonna use my Blind Bunny Cosmetics Holy, my Holy Grail palette that I love. I'm gonna use this little brush from, I can't say that name, I don't know what the brand is, and dip into my little bit of little bit of remedy. Yes, I'm a booty guru. And go here. What's the saying? Something about go under the eye, cause it's okay. Don't be afraid you're just not used to it. I've literally heard Lynn say it a million times. A million times. I don't know why I don't remember it fully. But cute. Okay, that under eye eats. Cute. And then this side. This isn't gonna go well, but we're trying. That's cute. Beautiful. Now I have this red palette that I have. And we're going to take a little, I don't know, trial and error here. Like a little, I don't know, man. I know, bro. Adding glitter here. Not so bad. Because you don't let it touch glitter. And if you don't say anything. You don't need the opinion. Ah! This is the first orange product, makeup product I love. And I'm obsessed with it. I use it all the time. But I've backed down recently because I've been using it way too much. So this is my first time using it in a while. Look at that. Why was that actually not that much? Interesting. Interesting. There we go. Yeah. This is amazing. I love this. Hello. Okay. Number 4. Compliment the brand. I mean to compliment the just gotta add a little time. Oh, there we go. Just need a little bit of green. A little bit of green. Oh yeah. No matte highlighter. I don't know how I got it, but I have it. And I love to put on the tip of my nose. Way too much. No, that's good. And that's about where I put it. I don't put it anywhere else. Now this highlighter is one I put everywhere. I love this Glisten Cosmetics. A spectral highlighter? No, shapeshifter maybe. Like hello. Can't be that. So pretty. And I just did the middle part. Put up the melon. Lippy time. LA Girl lip liner. Where's the shade? I don't know the shade, but it's orange. Cool. Trying to do more of a subtle orange for my lips because I don't want to do way too much orange. Trying to balance it all. So. Oh, that's good. And that's the look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed.